neutral. Got it. I'm ready. Drive it. You wrecked it.
Oh gosh. No brakes. Okay, oh. Oh Lord. Here we go, down a hill. Oh Jesus. Scary. Hunter, you have to look that way quick.
You're good my way.
Mustang, baby. Scary. Alright, let's start slowing down. Oh, we got some brakes. A little bit. What do you think?
I don't know. Should we have the garage door open?
Well, I mean, it's too late. Oh, I can't stop. Oh, crap.
Use the blinker.
Don't know if the blinker works.
Are we stopping on here to open it?
Yeah, probably. Break it loose, Hunter. I'm gonna turn those light bulbs, I bet you.
Mine does that until they get warm.
You can sit it right there on that fender if you want to until we get the other one off.
Grab hold of both hands.
You want to do the other side first? Or?
No, go ahead and take this one off if you want to. Come on. Dang brake line. Somebody put a brake line in my way. I wonder who done that. Somebody done. David, is it okay if we put you on video?
This right here's a brake. Pressure. Your ground wire to that. You run the hot, you grab your tail light, you run a hot wire to that one, a hot wire to that one, and that pressure valve clicks, it makes the tail light come on.
That's cool. Hey guys, so we're going to get started by mixing us some Bondo and start putting it on those bare metal spots and try to fix this body up. That's good. Man, ain't much. It don't feel that heavy.
Yeah, no, I don't. But you're rocking it.
I'm rocking it, yeah. But it feels, makes me feel strong.
That motor's about 800 pounds, I say.
What if I rock that transmission onto that and push?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what we use. Damn, hey, hang on.
Well, can I break the pulley if I pick up by it? Huh? Okay, good.
Break that pulley, it's done broken. Ready, gun hold?
No, hold on, let me find something. That pulley ain't gonna work. I only grab it by my fingertips. David, I thought this thing was light.
Come on, Chief.
Dang it, David, I told you I hurt. Now I lifted better than that while ago. I think that one lift was all I had. Okay, stop.
Come on, keep your zombie. I'm not gonna get that tired.
I'm gonna have to buy a cherry picker, Hunter. Hey guys, I want to give a big shout out to V-Tune for selling us this burnt motor that we're going to restore. Check it out. It's in pretty rough shape, but we're going to bring it back to life. We're going to love on it a little bit, make it look good. We're going to take that straight 6 out of our Mustang and put this 302 in it so we can squeal the tires. Where's the other one? There you are. Can you pull that lift back, Hunter?
Yeah.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm taking the starter off so I can get the transmission off so we can start working on this motor. Oh yeah, baby. Starter is off. Transmission lines need cut away from that.
Your knife is back there.
I gotta look and see if I see any more bolts.
Is there any underneath?
Not that I see. I think we're good, maybe. I have to look on the other side of it. Yeah, blue. Yep, there it goes. It's apart.
There we go.
Hey guys, well, as you see, we got the transmission off. And we got the motor just sitting here because I got to go buy some longer bolts to go through here to mount it so we can start working on that bad boy. So we had a good day and got a little dirty.
Yeah, turned out pretty good.
Yeah, look at Hunter's contraption he's got here to balance it. It really worked well. That kept that rear end from flipping.
Tipped over.
That's what you call ingenuity.
Yep.